is not just history, it's the heartbeat of eternity. The king knelt down to wash their feet. The greatest bowed, the proud made meek. Love was poured like wine that night. In silence deep his soul took flight.
No crown of gold, no silver ring. He came to serve, the servant king. He broke the bread, he passed the cup, and whispered, now the time is up. His hands would soon be pierced with nails, but grace would rise when mercy prevails. This is the lesson of love, not written in ink but in blood above. He gave, he forgave, he chose the cross to count our gain in what looked like loss. Oh, night divine when love knelt low and washed our shame so we could glow.
Father, if you are willing, take this cup from me. Yet not my will, but yours be done. He wept in Gethsemane's darkened field, where angels came and wounds were healed. The Son of Man alone yet crowned by thorns of love where grace was found. The world did not recognize the light. Rome crucified what heaven called right, but resurrection shattered fear and gave us boldness year by year. Disciples once afraid to speak, now roar with fire, no longer weak. This is the